Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce Node.js. What is Node.js? Features of Node.js, where to use Node.js, where not to use Node.js. What is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. What is JavaScript runtime? A runtime is an environment where your code will be executed. Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime environment for developing server-side and networking applications. It uses an event-driven, non-blocking input-output model that makes it lightweight and efficient. What is event-driven? Event-driven programming is a paradigm in which the flow of the program is determined by events such as user action, mouse click, key presses, sensor output, or message from other program and thread. It supports real-time web application. It has library for various web frameworks such as Express, Nest, etc. Features of Node.js: asynchronous and event-driven. What is asynchronous? Asynchronous programming is a way to writing code that allow multiple operations to run in parallel without blocking the main thread. Non-blocking input-output that make it lightweight and efficient. What is non-blocking input-output? Non-blocking input-output in Node.js is an asynchronous programming technique that allows a programmer to perform multiple tasks simultaneously without blocking the main thread. Single thread but highly scalable. What is single thread? Node.js is a single thread runtime environment, meaning that it runs on single thread, uses non-blocking input-output call to handle concurrent operation. Very fast. Node.js library is very fast in execution. No buffering. Node.js application never buffering any data. Where to use Node.js? Input output bond application, data streaming application, data intensive real-time application, JSON based API application, single page application SPA. Where not to use Node.js. Node.js should not be used for applications that require heavy computation or memory usage, such as intensive data processing or image manipulation. Node.js is not well suited for CPU intensive application. How was the video? Please tell me by comments. If video is useful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel.